Why do I have the hiccups?
Her hiccups are weird. Here, let me move over.
Ah.
We're bored.
That was my hiccup.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
13.
And this is from the previous episode. Because we wanted you to subscribe. I don't know.
I have the hiccups. They suck.
And you know, I read books because I'm a nerd. So I'm reading this book. I showed you this in the previous episode.
That was not throw up.
See?
I'm reading Twilight.
I'm reading your face. Your hiccups are weird. Oh, and this thing that Farrah got me without anything right here. It's like, hello.
Kind of cheap, Farrah.
And I got this candle. My brother ripped this thing off right here. And then it said stuff in the back. Angel de la Guarda. Guardian Angel.
Yeah.
And I got these shells from this one beach that I went to. Look. See? Pretty shells.
Oh, I hate hiccups.